Hello there and welcome to this weekly update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. WooCommerce 3.7 is officially available. This version was in development for under 3 months and it's a minor release, which means everything should be backwards compatible. In any case, you should always test this update on a staging website to ensure compatibility between your theme and plugins. This version improves the product blocks in the WordPress editor. It adds new blocks for product categories and tags and has some overall performance improvements. Also, the minimum requirements for using WooCommerce 3.7 were bumped to PHP 5.6 and WordPress 4.9. Be sure to check with your host to ensure you have proper infrastructure to support this update. Another week, another acquisition, this time automatic purchase Tumblr from Verizon, and have the goal to power it with a WordPress backend. Tumblr users made the platform well known for long, image-heavy posts, subcultural artistic movements, and animated GIF storytelling. Now that you know that I've pronounced GIF and not GIF, it's time to wish you a wonderful weekend.